Looking at the credential overview page today, we'll be looking at the email credential, different than the EVM address or Solana address credential. This actually uses your email instead to credential you for specific tasks. Let's begin. I've written an example in the title. Normally this will remain blank. You'll want this to be easily identifiable by anyone that wants to understand the credential. With the credential source section for the email credential, you'll see we have the option of Snapshot or Google Sheet. We will go through each one. First, covering Snapshot, this is a batch list of user emails. This can be updated via CSV file or via API. If you'd like to update via API, please follow the hyperlink right here. Here is an example of a CSV file. After you have selected the snapshot credential source, you'll head down to the credential holders. This is where you will put in the eligible users who have completed the respective task and earned the credential title. After selecting snapshot, you'll head down to the credential holders section. You'll need to click on the select file button and make sure that you upload a file in CSV format. Here is an example of us uploading a CSV file. You can see here that the address, or email in this case, was read successfully, but we had a duplicate on line 2. Our system automatically corrected that for us, or we can check and upload it ourselves again. We just need to click that we understand. You could even check to make sure right here. Covering the credential source for Google Sheets, this is a holder list that will be automatically updated every 12 hours. You can also update it manually using the update button below. Here is an example of a Google Sheet. As you can see on the Google Sheet, we have the URL link above and the 2 addresses that will be updated. Another important piece to know is that you will need to add spreadsheet at galxe.com as a viewer on your Google Sheet. Next, you will paste the link to the Google Sheet, the URL, and then click Sync. This will be done every 12 hours or at the use of the Sync button right here. In the creation of any credential, alongside the credential type and the title will also have the description and the reference link. The description is a description of the required task to earn the credential title. This should be very specific, detailed, and easily understandable by anyone. The reference link is any link that you would like to include in reference to your credential. After you have decided on the title, credential source, credential holders, description, and reference link, what you'll need to do is head over to the bottom right, click on the large blue Create button, sign the transaction in the top right, and you'll be completely finished. This has been a tutorial on creating an email credential. Thank you, and see you next time.